From the birth of black holes from the remnants of massive stars to their intriguing sizes, stellar, intermediate, and supermassive, we've traveled through the cosmic labyrinth of these celestial enigmas. We've explored the mysterious event horizons of black holes, where even light cannot escape their gravitational pull. We've touched upon the mind-bending concept of time dilation near a black hole, where time moves slower, altering perceptions from different viewpoints. We've also delved into the pivotal role black holes play in the evolution of galaxies, shaping the universe as we know it. This journey into the intriguing world of black holes only scratches the surface of the cosmic wonders that exist out there. As we continue to gaze into the cosmos, we uncover more about these fascinating celestial bodies and perhaps even ourselves. So remember to keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep looking up. Until next time, this is signing off from Stay Curious, Stay Fascinated.